This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel dessert. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a tiny pinch of salt. Having everything ready before you begin makes the process much smoother. A heavy-bottomed saucepan is essential for even heating, preventing your sugar from burning. Precision in measuring ensures a perfect, consistent caramel every time. Let's get started. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Pour the 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water into your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Resist the urge to stir with a spoon. Instead, gently swirl the pan occasionally to ensure even cooking. This prevents crystallization. Keep a close eye on the mixture as it boils. It will transform from clear to a beautiful golden, then a deep amber color. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. The color is key to perfect caramel. Once your mixture turns a deep, rich amber, immediately remove the pan from the heat. This is a critical step, as caramel can go from perfect to burnt in mere seconds. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook it slightly. If you're making a sauce, this is when you might carefully whisk in a tablespoon of butter for extra richness and a smoother texture. Work quickly and carefully. Once your caramel is ready, carefully pour it onto a silicone mat or parchment paper. Allow it to cool completely, which will take about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on thickness. Once hardened, you can easily break it into smaller, manageable pieces. Store your homemade caramel in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for drizzling over desserts or enjoying as a sweet treat. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.